Sometimes it's okay to just sit in pure silence, absolute quiet, and just let your mind go. Let your thoughts process, relax, and relieve the tension, and enter a state of pure and utter one with thyself and one with the universe, one with the stars, and one with consciousness itself. You know, sometimes I sit there in quiet and I think about how vast the idea of consciousness actually is. We only know a minuscule amount about consciousness and the way it functions. You know, the light that flames through your brain, racing as the neurons send signals to move certain parts of your brain and to move certain parts of your body. That little light, that little spark, that little light holds so much information that is unknown. And I think about those things. I think, wow, consciousness is very, very ethereal in nature. And it makes me wonder how much is there to know about consciousness? What are the limits of consciousness? Or could it potentially have no limits at all? We don't know for a fact right now, but it's definitely something to think about. What happens when one's consciousness begins to expand? And what happens when consciousness begins to become enhanced, refined? These are things I think about when I sit there, pondering the universe, pondering the existence, pondering space-time itself. Are we the only consciousness? It might seem like so. But to the minuscule insects out there, we that have no knowledge of our existence, they think they're the only consciousness. And we are a small little, we're on a small little rock in a large galaxy. Who knows what other forms of consciousness there might be? Or who knows what is out there? That's a journey which sounds like an interesting one to take.